So, proceeding to division, the first example is negative 48 divided by negative 6. So, just like multiplication, or the procedure in multiplication, we divide first the numbers. So, 48 divided by 6, that will give us 8. And then, we consider the signs of the two numbers, the dividend and the divisor. So, both of them are negative. So, considered it as same sign. So, same signs, ang rule natin, that would be positive. So, since we don't need to write the positive sign, we can just answer this one as 8. Okay? So, second example for division, 57 divided by 12. So, if we perform division here, it can be a decimal or it can be a fraction. Okay? So, what we can do here is, or 57 divided by 12 will not give us an integer. So, what we can do here is write this one as a fraction. So, improper fraction, okay lang naman yon. So, 57 divided by 12. So, since it will not give us an integer, we can write this one as 57 over 12. Okay? But since the fraction is not in the simplest form, the rule is in fractions, we simplify the given fraction. Okay? So, before we simplify, alamin na rin natin siguro yung sign, no? So, 57 is positive and 12 is positive. Kaya, ang sign ng fraction is positive. So, we have positive 57 over 12. Or we can just simply write this one as 57 over 12. Then again, we simplify 57 over 12. Their greatest common factor is 3. So, we will obtain there 19 over 4. So, 19 over 4 is the final answer. So, in algebra naman, or in fractions, we can just write that one as an improper fraction. Hey, third example tayo. Negative 81 divided by 3. So, 81 divided by 3, we can get an integer there. We can get an integer answer. So, that would give us 27. But, taking look at the signs of the two numbers, the dividend and the divisor, the dividend is negative and the divisor is positive. So, unlike sign sila. So, therefore, the sign of the final answer is negative. And the final answer is negative 27. Okay? Then, fourth example tayo, 120 divided by negative 10. So, 120 divided by 10. So, division muna tayo without their signs. So, that will give us 12. Now, for the signs, they're unlike signs. One is positive and one is negative. So, the final answer is a negative number. So, which is negative 12. So, our final answer is negative 12. So, fifth example tayo. 45 divided by negative 4. So, 45 divided by negative 4. So, if we're going to write that one as a fraction, so again, 45 divided by negative 4 will not give an integral answer, or the answer is not an integer. That's why we are writing it as a fraction. So, 45 divided by, or negative 4 is 45 over 4. Yung sign, yun yung i-determine natin. So, 45 is positive, and negative 4 naman is a negative number. So, unlike signs. So, therefore, the fraction, or the answer here is a negative number. So, which is negative 45 over 44. So, those are the examples for dividing integers. Yan. So, we have the example for the multiplication earlier, and we have the example for the division on this page. Now, since we already know how to multiply and divide integers, how about you try it on yourself? So, on the next page, yan, I'll give some examples for you to answer, and then again, before the video ends, I will show the answers. Okay? So here are some practice questions to answer. Yan. So post the video on this part, and then again, sabi ko nga, before the video ends, I will show the answer. Showing you the answers in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, so kindly check your answers, and kung tama yung mga sagot mo, great job for you. And kung hindi naman, watch this video again at yon. So, dito nagtatapos ang video natin for multiplication and division of integers. So, yun. Kung may natutunan ka, like and share this video. Comment mo na din ang nagustuhan mong part o kaya naman ang suggested topic mo para i-discuss natin. At kung interesado ka sa marami pang ganitong video, hit that subscribe and bell button para lagi kang updated. Kita-kits tayo sa susunod na video. God bless!